meditation. Meditation is, in a word to say, meditation is break and join. It is also called as Todo Jodo. Todo means break it. Jodo means connect it. The break away from non-essentials and join to the essentials is all about meditation. There are so many fillers in our life, non-essentials. They are taking lot of time, wasting a lot of time. Break away from non-essentials and concentration. And as we start contemplating on the essentials, those attributes we start absorbing. We start imbibing those essential qualities in us. It's when we start contemplating on non-essentials, non-essential qualities starts accumulating in our life. In Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna tells that one, Tasmat sarveshu kaleshu ma manusmara yudhyacha. You always think positive, think always good, think noble, think complete, so that you are also acquiring those qualities. You start acquiring those qualities in dharana. Last week we started on pratyahara, dharana. We talked about dharana means holding on to the good things in your life is called as dharan. Dharan means hold on to the good things and get rid of non-essential. That is the pratyahara, dharana, dhyana, samadhi. And these four are talking about how to enrich your being. One is pratyahara. Pratyahara means move away from non-essentials and connect to the essentials. Take a move away from non-essentials is called as pratyahara. And essentials, dharana, hold on to the good things in your life, that is called as dharana. And it is Patanjali in the Yoga Sutra, he talks about what is the dharana part in the pranaya meditation. Meditation is ekatana.